Welcome back, dear viewers, to another exciting episode of our quest for knowledge and understanding. In today's exploration, we embark on a captivating journey to uncover the perplexing enigma of why the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans refuse to merge. Join us as we dive deep into the depths of this intriguing phenomenon. Before we unravel the secrets behind this fascinating occurrence, let us establish a solid foundation of knowledge. The Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, two colossal bodies of water, possess unique characteristics that contribute to their unwillingness to blend together. Separated by the narrow strip of land known as the Central American Isthmus, which includes countries like Panama and Costa Rica, these oceans exist as distinct entities. At first glance, it may seem logical to assume that these immense bodies of water would effortlessly merge. However, numerous factors come into play, creating a noticeable separation between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. 1. Global oceanic currents. One of the primary reasons behind this separation lies within the global oceanic currents that exert their influence. The Atlantic and Pacific Oceans possess different major currents, known as the Gulf Stream and the California Current, respectively. These currents flow in opposite directions, acting as significant barriers where they meet near the Central American Isthmus. The Gulf Stream, a warm and swift current originating in the Gulf of Mexico, travels along the eastern coast of the United States, across the Atlantic Ocean, and towards Europe. On the other hand, the California Current, a cool and nutrient-rich current, flows southward along the western coast of North America. The opposing directions of these currents create a veritable water wall between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, impeding their natural merging. 2. The salinity and density variations. Another key factor contributing to the separation is the difference in salinity and density between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Salinity refers to the salt content in the water, while density refers to the mass per unit volume. The Atlantic Ocean generally exhibits lower salinity levels compared to the Pacific Ocean. Additionally, variations in temperature and other factors affect the density of the water. These dissimilarities in salinity and density lead to the formation of distinct water masses that tend to remain separate, impeding the free mixing of the oceans. 3. Earth's rotation and Coriolis effect. Our third contributing factor lies within the Earth's rotation and the Coriolis effect. As our planet spins on its axis, it induces the Coriolis effect, which deflects moving objects, including air and water currents, to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. In the case of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, the Coriolis effect influences the direction and trajectory of their respective currents, reinforcing the separation between them. The deflection caused by this natural phenomenon acts as a guiding force, keeping the currents on their distinct paths and preventing their merging. 4. Geological factors. Our final piece of the puzzle lies within the geological factors at play. The Central American Isthmus acts as a natural barrier between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Composed of rugged terrain including mountain ranges and plate boundaries, this region further hampers the merging of the two bodies of water. Over millions of years, tectonic forces have shaped this region, creating land masses that impede the free flow of water between the oceans. This geological configuration serves as a significant contributor to the persistent separation between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. In conclusion, the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans remain distinct entities due to a combination of factors, including global oceanic currents, differences in salinity and density, the Earth's rotation and Coriolis effect, and the geological barriers presented by the Central American Isthmus. As we continue our unending exploration and unraveling of the mysteries of our natural world, we are reminded of the profound wonders that surround us. The refusal of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans to merge is yet another testament to the intricate and awe-inspiring nature of our planet. If you found this video as captivating as we did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more enthralling content. Until our next adventure, keep nurturing your curiosity and never stop exploring.